Sure, I'll hold on to it.
Hi, Jonathan. This is Linus opening your present.
Hi, Jonathan.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Jonathan. That's Linus opening your present.
Linus is opening a present. What do you think it is?
You want to see him open his present? Here.
Linus,
It's a box!
Happy birthday to Linus.
Present.
Yay! It's Linus's present.
Okay, we'll open it. Come on, tear it up. There you go.
Present.
Here, there's more. Yay!
Scissors.
Yay! Here, one more.
Hey, John.
There you go.
Okay. Another candle?
Fire.
Owen, do you kind of feel like you're left out? Look at him, he's trying to sit up so you can see it.
I know, hold on. Okay.
Aren't you? You're trying to sit up so you can see it going.
Yay! Oh, look, there's more tape.
Bye.
What's that? Which one is that?
It's mine. It can wait.
Oh, okay.
Do it again.
Maybe it's Jonathan's
It
phone.
just sounds
Try it
like
again.
such a real thing.
Yay!
It's an old school ring.
There's a lot.
What's in here?
What is it, the
What's in there?
90s?
Uh-oh.
What's that? It's a truck.
Oh my
Oh, yeah.
goodness. It's a road chopper.
A Road Ripper Muscle Hog.
Oh my gosh.
Okay,
It's a truck.
Right.
It's a
Linus, can you say thank you?
Say thank you.
Linus, say thank you.
Yay, it's
Okay, hold on,
Linus's
hold on,
truck.
hold on,
Linus' truck.
hold on.
Oh, you're just a piece of work, man. Linus' birthday card.
Linus's.
Linus' birthday card.
Liam, Linus will totally share with you.
We'll share with you. Give me a chance. Oh, here's a truck. Check this out.
I know it's your truck. Hold on.
Oh my goodness. Oh, what a cool truck.
What are you doing?
Put Liam's name on it.
Car.
What?